Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the possibility. Doomsday is it coming on January 20th next year? Let's dive in. First things first, US Federal Reserve is going to lower interest rates by 25 basis points. In several hours, the odds is around 95.4%, which is almost guaranteed. Fed is going to lower rates and Bank of Japan will keep it as it was before, which is very good for both stocks and crypto at the same time. Let's have take a look at this article. Arthur Hayes predicts crypto will see harrowing dump around Trump's inauguration date. He said crypto investors' expectations for the upcoming policy changes under the Trump administration are far from reality. Too much expectation would be bad for crypto. I think that is what he is trying to say here. January 20th, the inauguration date of Donald Trump. This could be the sell the news event, according to former Bitmex CEO. And he also mentioned the market will instantly wake up to the reality that Trump has at best 1 year to enact any policy changes on or around January 20th, he said. The realization will lead to a vicious sell off in crypto and other Trump 2.0 equity trades. It's a reminder Bitcoin price has risen up since, especially after BlackRock applied for Bitcoin spot ETF in June 2023, and this was approved in January this year, which hasn't been approved for the last 10 plus years. Second, Bitcoin as well as altcoin price rose up significantly, especially after November 5th, which was the day of the US presidential election date. So, as long as this vibe goes on, Bitcoin as well as crypto market will go up higher. Arthur Hayes, he revealed his crypto investment strategy by year end and early next year. First, he will reduce his crypto holdings a lot by the year end. Second, if the market dumps as it predicted, he would buy the dip major cryptocurrencies in Q1 next year. However, if the market rises, if the market goes contrary to his prediction, he would get back on the bull right after. That was his plan. He is more like a risk taker and trader rather than an investor or just hodler. In my personal opinion, I myself am very much optimistic about especially altcoins in Q1 next year as well, despite any possible pullback during the same period. Let me show you this chart here once again. Total 3 chart. This represents crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Literally altcoin you can see. And this was the previous all-time high back in November 2021. Recently, it tried to break through its previous all-time high, but it failed. Nonetheless, I still think that this will cross over its previous all-time high sometime next year, especially in Q1. It might take several weeks though. It's another altcoin chart, or this chart. Crypto market cap minus top 10 cryptocurrencies, which is represents mid to small cap altcoins. It also tried to break through its previous all-time high recently, but it failed. it just pulled back significantly. And it might have some headwind going forward, but I think this will eventually break out as well. Let's take a look at this altcoin season index. It says it shows 63. Monthly speaking, we are not at the altcoin season yet. Yearly speaking, well, the index shows around 39. It's far from being an altcoin season, altcoin year at all, which means we have more room to go higher from now. In terms of Bitcoin, we are located at 50 to 60% of this bull cycle. We are in the middle of this cycle. However, altcoins, in terms of altcoins, I think we are around at 30% or 40% of this bull season. We have a more room to go. We have a more upside from here until we have a huge correction. This could take place in Q1 or possibly in Q2 next year. For sure, I don't know the future. What if Santa comes in a week or two? Well, we can enjoy the Christmas with some decent profits in our hands. We need to take some profits going forward. But what if Santa skips this year? Well, we'd better wish a Happy New Year then. What I'm saying here is Bitcoin dominance rose up a little bit recently and it's around 58%. Bitcoin dominance needs to fall to around 40% for full exit. So until then, I think it could take several months or even a year. So relax until then and enjoy your Christmas and holiday season. Thank you for listening.